Tomatoes are one of the most common garden plants, and naturally they have a sprawly, viney habit. So we want to lift them up and give them some support in the form of a trellis. And here are two different trellising methods that we like to use. Natalie learned how to do these quadrupod trellises when she was gardening in Spain. This other style is with a welded wire cattle panel. It's a fence panel, essentially, attached to a T-post. Super sturdy and really easy to set up, although a little bit more expensive and a little bit more cumbersome to store. And with this, again, you prune to a central lead and just weave the plant in and out of the squares of the wire. With both of these trellising methods, we prune for a central leader. And both are really great ways to raise the plants up off the ground and give them a lot of airflow, which prevents a lot of the, well, minimizes a lot of the fungal diseases that tomatoes are so prone to contracting, especially at the end of the summer.